is this, dude?
It smells like vomit.
He's a Rottweiler, dude.
That skinny bitch.
He's a Rottweiler.
That skinny bitch. That narrows it down.
The one you got drunk.
That girl?
Yes.
She threw up on the dog.
Now smell your hand.
Damn.
What skinny bitch? I missed that. I must admit that I didn't see the fucking skinny bitch.
The short hair blonde.
Ew, gross.
No, she's blonde.
That is nasty, man. I feel like puking myself now after doing that shit.
Did it stink?
It smelled like garbage, man. It smelled like I just went to East LA and looked at the dumpster.
Shit, dude. It smells like shit. Why did I take a fucking shit?
Ew, that nasty bitch. Why would you puke on a dog? A dog! Out of all the things to puke on.
Oh my god.
That's fucking odd, you fucking dumbass.
Are you serious?
Yes,
A fucking
motherfucker.
dog?
That's fucking odd.
I'm like, oh, here.
You fucking adore that bitch.
Spot. Here's Spot. Who the fuck pukes on a dog? The dog's probably feeling like, I hate myself. I'm killing myself. Like, who the fuck pukes on a dog, man? I don't fucking get it, man. That's fucked
Oh,
up.
that dog right there?
Look at him.
Look at it, dude, motherfucker.
That dog hates himself. He's like, God damn, who the fuck?
The fucking faggot ass dog.
He's like, I hate myself.
Go smell it. Go smell it.
I've already smelled it, man. That smells like shit.
Okay.
What the fuck is this?
So we're recording. I'm about to go smell the dog. Okay, hold on.
Go smell a dog.
He's going to smell the dog.
Wait, we have to come back in here so the dog can come back. Call the dog.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Call the dog.
Milo.
That's still fuego. Yeah, it is.
I feel sorry.